Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my cryptocurrency update videos, and I'm starting off today as always with Vechain, and I'm on the daily time frame to start with. So as we can see in previous videos, I've said we've had this push up and we've had this retracement down. Now I feel like we've actually made that higher low now, because if we draw a trend line, look, this low is higher than this low here, so we're doing really well. We're following an uptrend right now, so that was a healthy chart, as I said, as I thought it was. Really healthy chart right now. So we have actually held this weekly support really nicely here. I'm just going to show you how strong this yellow line is, this weekly support. We've got support here, support, a lot going on here. Broke out, used as resistance, broke above, support again, hit this other weekly trend line, weekly support line, sorry, broke above, loads of support here. Could probably go on support. So yeah, it's really just want to show you how strong that level actually is and not just me saying it. Now I'm going to zoom in a little, that's a bit too much. So yeah, we've held this weekly support now with a body as well. So the buyers have definitely won that battle there. Nice body, good few support touches here. So it's looking really good for continuation in my opinion. Let's add these fibs on now. See if we are back above the 0.618, which is what I've been saying is really important. So we go from the low to the high to measure the retracements down. Yeah, look at that. I'll zoom in a little bit. There's a few lines going on. And yeah, so we had this green candle here that managed to, because we were bouncing off the 786, remember? And I said we need to get above the 0.618 for continuation to the upside. So this green candle yesterday pushed us through the 0.618, and now we've come back to hold that support. Right now we're making a spinning top as well on today. Obviously I've got a few hours left of the day, but that's a bullish type of candle as well when you've got wicks to both sides, but more wick to the downside with a small body at the top. That's a spinning top. So now we're holding the 618. We really need to hold that now for continuation. Of course, if we lost the 0.618, we could come back down to this yellow weekly line. Or we can come back to the lows if we lost that again at the 1 fib level here. That's a minimal target for the downside. So that could, worst possible case, could come down to 0.074 cent for Vechain. Of course, if you lose the one, you head down to the 1618 of 0.059 cent. But I don't think that's going to happen. We're looking like a healthy chart. It's going steady, which is nice. No crazy movements. But as I said, I drew that trend line. We are on the rise. So yeah, really looking to hold that 0.618 now. And then hopefully we can continue to the upside. We have almost tapped the 20 moving average at the 5, so we can either tap that and maybe roll back over to the 0.618, or if we do come above the 20 moving average, hold in the 5. We're then looking at reaching the 55 EMA, the 236 here. So we could range between the two for a while, but we're looking good on the daily for now. Obviously it's the weekly close tonight as well, so I'll probably include the weekly time frame tomorrow in my video. But that's kind of it for the daily, looking strong, just really need to hold the 0.618 now. Okay, I'm going to move on to the 4-hour chart now. Really need to zoom out now. Great stuff. So in the falling wedge, just a little recap. We're in this falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern. We broke out, targets at the top of the wedge up here. We've broken out. I said we need to come down to retest some of the bottom of the wedge, some of these levels, which we did. Tested that weekly trend line again. Had made that W bottom pattern now. So that I'm pretty confident now that this is a bottom for now. So at those fibs, I'm going to add them again in a second, and I feel like they're going to be pretty accurate now. Also, now what I do see on the 4-hour is an ascending triangle. So I've already drew the neckline here, and we are pretty much breaking out of that now, but let me just add this line here. Perfect. To get just drag this down slightly more. To get a target, it's really simple. Just measure from the neckline down to the bottom here. Woo. Put it on the breakout line, and we have a target here. Let's see what price we've got for the technical target of the ascending triangle, 0.091 cent. So it's a nice price, really good. That's your technical target now. It's a clear ascending triangle. Obviously we can lose it and break down, maybe coming back down to this weekly, but it's a bullish pattern, so for now it's validated, just waiting for a breakout. Let's add some fibs on now. Now that I am confident, so we're going to go from top to bottom. Now that I'm confident that we have found a bottom right now, just in my opinion, guys. So yeah, we've got around the 236, holding that as nice support right now. We've got a few support touches here, and that is actually where the 20 moving average lines up. And I did say that we needed to either touch the 20 moving average or break above, and for now we have broken above that, so it's really good signs as well there for Vechain. Kind of ranging between the 55 and the 20 now. So once we can get above the 55 EMA, that'll be really good. That's when we've broken out of this neckline, the breakout line, hit the 55. Maybe we'll come and hold this line as support again. That's really nice to see when you're breaking out of a pattern, just to come back and test it as support again. Breaking above the 55, and that will take us to the 382. Another key level, because we have this line here, this support line here, which I drew a week or so ago now. So when I break above that, probably hold this area as support again, just to show that we're respecting this line. And once we've done that, hopefully that will then take us up to our target here, above the 5, may come back and hold it here. But this is our target for now. In the short term, we've got an upwards target. It's really good. As I said, there's your price there. And for further continuation, that is when we need to see us getting above the 0.618 here. Obviously, once we're above the 0.618 and can hold that support, we'll be heading to the 1, which is our technical target for this pattern here, the falling wedge. So that's like a longer term target. That would take us to 10 cent, which is fantastic. And the ultimate target is up here at the 1618 for 11 cent for Vechain. So we're looking at a healthy chart right now, guys. Of course, I could be completely wrong. If Bitcoin wanted to go down, it will bring the alts down as well. Hopefully we can just see us coming down back to this weekly line as like a worst case for now, but obviously if we did lose that, we'll be coming down to further levels, which I spoke about on the daily time frame. However, I'm not seeing that right now. We have just had a nice push here out of this breakout now, so hopefully this is the breakout. If not, we may break back in, but we'll see how it goes, and we'll come back tomorrow and see where this target has brought us, see where this pattern has brought us, sorry. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. So I hope you have a lovely 2022. Happy New Year. Just like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below any coins you'd like to see, because I'm thinking of covering a few more different coins on this channel now, for getting a bit more confident. But yeah, okay guys, subscribe as well. Thank you guys, take care, bye.